Moving towards the clinical categories, that is corresponding to more severe infection. In category A, it includes asymptomatic but still the patient suffers from persistent generalized lymphadenopathy. In B, the patient suffers from thrush, Haley leukoplakia, zoster thrombocytopenia purpura. In C, Kaposi sarcoma, lymphoma, pneumocystitis, pneumonia, esophageal candidiasis, wasting. First, you will confirm. Second, control the type. Treat. Diagnose, control, and then type any tumor. When heart is given, heart therapy, the prognosis or the outcome of the treatment is improved. We have some combinations, which is actually two nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitors with one or two protease inhibitors. Okay, then another we have two nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitors plus with a non-nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitor. Okay, first of all, moving towards the nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitor, in which we have actually abacavir. The other is dedanosine for dry mouth, zysentabine for oral ulcers. Okay, so actually I know the names of the drugs are very hard, but you have to remember, like abacavir. So my father bring Tavi, you can say. Okay, this drug used for Stevenson-Johnson syndrome, which is one of the severe type of erythema multiforme. Then dedanosine. I have not seen my dad for so many days, and this is used for dry mouth. Zysentabine. Okay, so do not waste any of thing. Okay, zycitabine, which is for oral ulcers. Stavudine and levudine, and then zidovudine. These all are vudines. Just remember star, lever, zido. Okay, let me. Nucleotide analogues are adifuvir, tenofovir. Non-nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitor is actually nevirapine. Okay, so it is nevirapine, which is used in again Stevenson syndrome, and again we have actually efavirenz. Then proteins inhibitor, we have endenavir, which is dry mouth and taste disturbance, nefenavir, then ritonavir. Okay, then we have also squavanavir. Okay, basically the administration of this therapy within 180 days of infection, when the rises the levels of HIV specific CD4 cells. Patient can stop the treatment up to years, even when suppression of HIV levels in blood. Lymphoma is basically intra-outer side, or it may be it can also be develop in the inside of the mouth, and the region of salivary glands also. It is a soft painless swelling which accelerates when traumatized. Okay, the patient most lymphoma and AIDS, which is actually grade B cell lymphoma of large cell or immunoblastic type, associated 50% cases with Epstein-Barr virus. Burkitt lymphoma 100 times more common than HIV negative person. Plasmablastic lymphoma, site is oral cavity. HIV patient is positive for this.